This is terrible. A very bad man is delivering roadkill to all the Krusty Burgers, which are cheaper than my Quickie dogs. I must admit, the smell of fresh air is much more pleasing than the odor of the hot dog machine.
Lisa Simpson at your service.
This is not good for my insurance. Try Tessie, right in the pan. Human crickets.
Kid power!
A pickup there. What in the hell were you thinking? I am a mean Vindaloo machine. Get out of the way.
Time to move.
Yeehaw! Try Tessie, right in the pan. 300 horses of convenient power.
Oh, Mom.
A pickup, city phone. Yeehaw!
Hot dog, girl. Sweet forward momentum.
This is not good for my insurance.
That was pretty cool. The Bart's still missing, and I'm no closer to finding him.
Perhaps you should consult Professor Frink at the observatory. He seems to... Why I ever came to this Jerkwater Burg?
Professor Frink! Professor Frink! My brother Bart is missing. Have you seen him?
Well, let's see now. Bart helped me build a monster and then disappeared in a bright light.
Wow, this is crazy. I need someone to talk to who's wise and learned. I am